So, hi, I just got 3 new decks for a specific reading about those because I am intending to do a pick a card on what kind of spirit is protecting you, watching you right now. I am going to upload it in a couple of days. I have not done it yet because I needed those cards. And, it could be like ancestors or anything. If you're starseed, it could be extraterrestrials, it could be angels, it could be fairies, ancient gods. There will be it will be a pick a card. By the time you are watching this, maybe I have already uploaded it. But right now I am going to unbox the Angels and Ancestors Oracle cards. There was some plastic wrapping. I already removed it. And let's see what they have to say. Also, let me know if you like this kind of unboxing, because for me it also always happens, or you see cards online and then you can't see all the cards, you only see like a couple of them, and I like seeing all the cards. I bought this on eBay. Actually, it was new. It was from China, I believe, and I paid around €5 for it. And yeah, let's see what we do have. We have winter. Winter's coming. Take care of your needs. We do have summer. Bask in joy and light. Spring. See your seeds grow. Autumn. What do we have? We have a wolf, a bee, bunny, and raven. Release the old and rest. We have sun. Enjoy success and happiness. Stag. Trust and thrive. Snake. Shadow skin. Mountains. Stand your ground. Sorry for the glare. The moon. Take note of intuitive messages. The eagle. See from a higher perspective. Drum. Dream and journey. Broken arrow. Embrace the energy of peace. Arrow. We have broken arrow and arrow. Surround yourself with protective energy. Water guardian. Connect with your emotions. Protection guardian. Drop your shields. Mirror guardian. Take time to reflect. Medicine guardian. Be open to healing information. Magic guardian. Unlock the magic within. Heart guardian. Love and let yourself be loved. The guardian angel. You're not alone. The fire guardian. Ignite your passions. The earth guardian. Stay rooted and grounded. Direction guardian. Choose your path. The animal guardian. Trust your instincts. The air guardian. Shift your perception. The wise one. Grow within your current situation. White witch. Be the light. Warrior. Be fearless and stand strong. Traveler. Move in a new direction. The trader. Exchange energy to create abundance. Stargazer. Set your sights higher. Star ancestor. Follow the voice of your soul. Spirit fox. Trust your talents in changing times. Shield maiden. Make plans and focus. She-wolf. Unleash the wild within. Shapeshifter. Transform and unveil your gifts. Halloween master. Be graceful in movement and action. Shaman. Trust in higher forces. Seer. See beyond the current situation. Sage. Be devoted and committed. Peacekeeper. Let go of the need to be right. The white bull. Oracle. Wait for important information. Mother Earth. Feel loved and comforted. Medicine Mother. Honor your inner knowing. Lord. Take charge with authority. Lady. Enjoy growth and reap rewards. Knight. Be brave and honest. Hunter. Track down your fears and desires. High Priestess. Harness mystic power. The High Priest. Intend and create. Hermit. Retreat and recharge. The great teacher. Learn from spiritual experiences. Father Sky, trust in the unknown. The elder, move beyond ancestral patterns. And last, the druid, hold the space. That's a lot of cards. Does it say how many? On here, I don't think it does, but it's a lot of cards. So let's see. They feel kind of good. They're not too thick. I like the size quite a lot. They're not too big because I do have small hands. I have tiny hands, and many oracle cards are just very big, and I can hold on to them nicely. I think they're easy to shuffle, which is important too. Let's do a little pick a cards. So let's try them. Pick a card. It's 1, 2, and 3. And number 1. Wait, I have to pick. I already saw that one. I like it, but I pick number 2. So okay, Autumn. Release the old and rest. So pile number 1. Pile number 2. Trader. Exchange energy and create abundance. Trying to work on it. And Stargazer, set your sights higher. Awesome. So these are the Angels and Ancestors Oracle cards by Kyle Gray. And yeah, I like them. I like the quality. They feel nice in my hands. They're not too thick. Actually, they remind me of, if you have it, the Ascended Masters deck, because they also have like thinner cards. Now they're a bit... yeah, they're similar. If you have this deck, then you can compare. So, okay. As I said before, I would appreciate if you would like and share if you're interested. Again, this is just for you to find out whether you like the decks before you buy it. So if you like this kind of video, let me know, then I will show you more of my decks. Then you can see whether it is for you or not. Anyway, I'm going to the next deck now. Bye.